Hi everyone, Chris here with Polypack. I'm out in the plant today and I'm standing in front of the newest iteration of our high-speed shrink bundling machine. It's a model that we call the high-speed ClearPrint. This machine is capable of speeds up to 100 cycles per minute and can operate in dual lanes, making its maximum throughput a whopping 200 bundles per minute. Looking at this machine externally, it's constructed with stainless steel, as all Polypack machines are. It features a robust welded mainframe. It's guarded with 1/2-inch Lexan doors and safety panels, and includes a small overall footprint relative to the throughput it's capable of. Internally, this machine is fully servo-driven for maximum precision. It features easy access components for ease of maintenance and operation. And it features Polypack's patented film delivery system to allow customers to run as low as 1 mil film through the machine. The film delivery system in particular is worth highlighting, as this is a key feature of the machine. The system stays contained within the mainframe during operation, but has the ability to slide in and out to provide ease of access to components for the maintenance team, or for ease of film routing if ever needed. Within the system, it is configured with a serrated blade to perforate the film and has separation rollers to break the perforation for a consistent, static-free discharge of film under the bundle. This patented system is what allows Polypack to run thinner film than other competitive solutions. Overall, the machine can be adapted to run numerous product profiles. It can be customized to meet any business's specifications, and it can do so with limited overall impact to lead time. So the next time you're looking for a high-speed shrink bundling solution for your line, let Polypack show you why we're the optimal partner for your business.